Say hi. All right, here we go. Worst storm in 50 years. Already been people that haven't come back. Not sure where they're at.
Having a hot toddy somewhere, probably.
Yeah, we're just gonna go right down in the center there. Where those people are at. Like, not towards the lift, but just towards the... Yeah, it's nice and flat. They're nice. That was impressive. So we want to go see those pine trees over there. Okay?
Daddy, I don't know about this.
So I want you to steer that way, alright?
Got my coat.
Yeah.
I go to this safe.
Yeah. Okay. Those pine trees over there.
Dad,
Okay.
I know how to do it.
Okay, this way. Okay.
I know how to do it, Dad.
Alright. Okay. Letting go. There you go. Alright. Good job. Alright.
That was fun.
Yeah, that's really fun.
So,
Dude,
when are we going home?
I think you could actually do this whole hill, Maggie, believe it or not.
On my own?
I think we could ride that lift up, and I think you'd be able to make it down.
Right.
We can walk up the hill. You'll see.
No, this is not really not bad idea.
No, because there's no people over there, and you'll have plenty of room to ski out into.
Well, it's a hill down here.
Huh?
I see a hill in my fall.
Well, no, you just went down that hill. You did fine.
Then, oh no. No way.
What do you want to do then?
Just go.
Go where?
Up to the hotel.
Come on. All right, let's just ski down this little hill. We'll just try it once, all right?
No.
This hill's perfect for you. There you go. See? Nice and easy. All right.
No, it's too thick.
Ain't too thick. That's good. It won't let you go super fast, Maggie. It'll let you learn to turn. Plus, it's soft if you fall. Come on, stop being so silly. Maggie?
Idea to go over here. What is that?
Are we not allowed to ski over here? Are we okay here?
Yeah, somebody said there was somebody hurt over here.
Oh, it was... No one's hurt.
No.
I think somebody on the lift thought she was hurt, but she was just complaining.
Got it.
All right, come on.
This hill is really not unsafe.
Okay.
Dad, I need two people to help me.
Here. There you go.
Dad, this hill is not safe.
I tried to find a flat area, but you wouldn't let me.
See, I keep sliding. Do something about this. This hill is not safe. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, wait. See how slow the snow is. You got this. I'm telling you, you're gonna be down
Yeah,
there.
I know that.
Be laughing how easy it is. Okay, uncross your skis.
What? No, I will be going flying like crazy.
Well, get them like mine, okay?
So,
Yeah. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay. You got it? Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Wasn't that pretty fun?
Alright.
What do you want to do? Go back over there?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, there we go, Max. Alright, it's all you. Remember, do your little turns, okay?
Okay.
Work on your little turns.
I'm a Floridian.
Look at Mom's doing the turns. I'm doing it. I'm working on my turns. Work on your turns. There you go. Pizza, Maggie. Pizza. Do a pizza. Pizza. All right. Woo. Yeah, let's go again.
Oh my.
All right. All right, sounds good.
Well, nothing else works. At least the collision avoidance system works.
There you go. I like how you're lining that up. Nice work. Yeah, just slide on like you've been doing. Perfect. I'm right behind you. I got you. Just slide on like you've been doing. I don't think you really need my help because you've been sliding on by yourself, but there you go. Oh, ice got jammed in it. All right, just like before, Maggie. There you go. Good work. Come on.
How do you do it? You go around the
Okay,
blue,
yeah, around the blue, around the red, around the blue.
Come on, Dad.
Okay.
Come on, what are you doing?
All right, you go. I'm gonna be behind you.
All right, Dad. Ready, Dad?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right. Work on your turns a little bit. Practice turning both ways. Okay, there you go. Don't hit that person right. Oh, nice turning, like it. Whoa. All right, there you go. Nice.
Just stop. Mom. Mom. You do come
All right, me and Jack are racing.
My first hill ever. There you go.
on. Mission accomplished. I'm done.
Speedy Gonzalez. Watch out. Do a little stop. Good work. Jack, the lodge is over here. Where's he going? Jack. All right, Katie, you're on film. Say hi. Hey, I heard you got filmed yesterday. There you go, Mags. Nice work. Actually, that's what I'm trying to convince Maggie to go up that magic carpet.
There's not much to it. It's just longer.
But not much deeper, right?
Not really. No. Offered up a waffle to do it again.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Have you had one of those waffles?
No.
What was the one that we loved last?
All right, Mags, you ready? You got to avoid all the people, all right? Use your turn in. They're kind of wandering back. Don't take out the little kids, all right? Use your pizza to stop. Okay, turn the other way. Turn away from the people. Don't hit that guy. Maggie, turn. All right, there you go. Okay, stop, Mags. Maggie, I would stop. Do you like going down that hill over there, that magic carpet?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Hey, Maggie, do you want to go down the other magic carpet with them? No? All right, we'll do this one right here. It was worth a shot. All right, let's go say goodbye to Katie, all right? She's feeling a little sad. Oh, she's getting back in line though, Patrick. That's a trooper. Ready?
Yep.
Ready?
Come on, Dad.
They got out of the way. Or they're almost done.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah, here it goes.
All right. Don't hit Mr. Stevens, okay? Get your knees bent a little bit. Shift your weight. Ski around him. Do not hit him. Go right through there. All right, can you stop? Turn towards me really quick. Or turn that way. Okay, that's fine. That's all right. Maggie, can you say goodbye? Oh, you did? Okay.
Have fun, Maggie.
Work on the turns, Mags. Okay. Okay, can you turn back towards there? Do a hard turn. Or into the pile. All right.